Oh, he want to drink water. And guys, this is new bird cage. I just got for him, and I install it everything else, and already keep the door open. Now he's trying to get around. He don't know where is the door to get inside. So let's see what does he do. Just 1 second, guys. Just wanted to put the light on. Let's try to put this light actually. Oh, sorry for the maze around. There is lots of maze around me. Just trying to put new lights. This light goes. Look at me. Okay. Hi. Did you like your bird cage? You cage? Hello. Not that way. You can go down and they go inside. I put his older container inside, so he can't. He's already used to, right? So, and let's see now when he get of this new cage used to, then I can remove them, and if he want, I can use the older one too. But I'm gonna use it whatever they have. You can see there is a underneath of this area. This one and this area there is a food container area, and here is you can put the water inside. Oh, look at that, he's going inside. Oh my god. Hi. Hi, did you like one? Did you like your new house? I can close it up for you, but I don't want to. Look at that. Uh-oh. Hi. Where are you going? Going down? Are you hungry? Oh, that container is not put it very properly. You are gonna fall this container. You know that? You know that, my naughty boy?